Hey Logo Legends, welcome back to another video. Now, there's a saying that goes, I fear not the man that has practiced 10,000 kicks once, but I fear the man that has practiced one kick 10,000 times. Quote by famous Bruce Lee. So I had an amazing idea. What if I took the same concept and applied it to my design skills? What could we achieve here for the channel? And that led me to start this new series called Freestyle Mondays, where every Monday I'll take the Apple logo I showed you how to design in a previous video and create a unique style for it each week. Similar to what Apple does every year when they showcase the Apple logo illustrated various ways from different designers. So without further ado, let's get right into the first Freestyle Mondays video. Let's begin. Okay, so we're in Illustrator, guys. What can we do with the Apple logo? I'm thinking of a watery spatial theme design. I'm just gonna go ahead and grab my rectangle tool here and draw a big rectangle. And then I'm gonna go for the gradient mesh tool. And just to remind you guys, this is indeed not scripted in any way. This is just based off of all my years of experience using Illustrator. Just gonna try and condense the video around 5 to 10 minutes. I may have to speed it up. I may have to go for that fast forward button when I'm editing. So let's get right into it. So I'm just gonna have my direct selection tool here, as you can see, and I'm just manipulating the colors of the anchor points. So that's the beauty of the gradient mesh tool. You can blend colors more realistically in Illustrator. Let's see, what are we going to achieve here today? I hope we achieve something good. All right. So guys, if I'm doing some, I hope you get the gist of this by now. I'm just selecting the anchor points, changing the colors. As I said, this may be fast forwarded once you guys get the idea, to minimize repetition as best as possible. But my goal here is just to show you quickly in a fun way what's possible in Adobe Illustrator using the various tools we have at our disposal. Oops, that one was a little bit too much. So as you can see, the handlebars dictate what direction you want the colors to be blended in, and if you want more points, you just hit the gradient mesh tool again, and you see where the plus comes up. Yeah, you hit right there. And you can place as many colors as you like. As I said, the theme here is watery blue, so I'm sticking within the blue spectrum as best as possible. And I'm gonna make a copy of the Apple logo and place it in front of the gradient mesh. So we're gonna bring that to the front. I'm gonna convert it from group, because it's still a group because of the leaf and the shape right here. It's not unified as yet, so we're gonna unify it by making it into a compound path. So it's one thing now. And then I'm just gonna select both of them, hold on Control on my keyboard right to make a right click, and then make clipping mask. All right, so I lost a lot of the mesh right there, so I'm just gonna size it down. Let me see, what else can we do here before we wrap up this video? I think I'm gonna try the freeform gradient. Let's try this and see what results we get. Let me see if it works well in our design. Let me move the panel out of it because I want to see it. Let's see what happens. I'm going to make that one darker. That may be a little bit too dark, but I think I know where to put it. Let me just... Alright, can I lower the opacity and it still looks good? Let me edit gradient right there. Alright, what's going on? I want to add another stop. Do I have to get in a little closer? Interesting. Okay. All right. So I'm not sure what happened, but I had to like undo just to make sure I could add a new point again. All right. So I'm just gonna, let me see if putting it off to the edge right there. And I'm going to increase the size. All right, we're winding down, guys. It'll soon be time to end this video. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just make some copies of these, adjusting the size. And I think I want like some type of stroke to make it look as if it's like orbiting. It's like molecules orbiting, you know, the Apple logo. I'm not sure if I'm liking this, guys. We do need more time to make it look good, so I think I'm just gonna experiment a little bit here and see if I can get something that works. All right, so guys, at this point, I didn't like the orbital lines around. I'm sure in the future we will revisit that technique, but as we make our way to the end of this video, this is a style I think I'm gonna settle on for the course of this video. For the first Freestyle Mondays technique. So as you can see here, I just create a stroke and applied a Gaussian blur to it. Trying to give the top a little highlight, a little quick highlight. All right, guys, I think that's it. I'm done for the first video of the Freestyle Mondays. Remember, guys, the goal here is not perfection. It's just simply to showcase what's possible if we put our minds to taking the first step to, you know, the journey to 1,000 kick 1,000 times. I trust that you did learn something from this video, and we'll get better over time, no doubt. All right, stick around, guys, if you like the format of this new series, and leave a comment. Let me know what you think. Give a few suggestions. I'm open to hearing your thoughts and applying them where necessary. Okay, so thanks again, guys, for watching the video. See you in the next Freestyle Mondays. Bye.